Hello. In this video, we are going to see how to re-upload videos on your own YouTube channel. Why we will want to do that? Let's say you are an affiliate marketer of Builderall. Builderall has a lot of videos, training videos, tutorials, and you will want to take those videos and put them on your own YouTube channel, so that in the description of the videos in your YouTube channel you can put your affiliate links to Builderall. That's the idea. Now you can say, oh, but what about copyrights? Do I have the right? So do I have the right regarding Builderall, and do I have the right regarding YouTube? Is it legal to do that? So for the two answers, it's yes. First, Builderall. They made training videos. They put it publicly on their YouTube channel. So those videos are not private. They are not only for Builderall customers. They are public. But they are Builderall's own video. They own the copyright. But you are an affiliate of Builderall. So if in your description on your channel you will promote Builderall, it's good for Builderall to have the same videos in several places, because as long as, of course, you don't use those videos to promote a competitor, that will not fly with Builderall. Of course, they can put a complaint on YouTube about your videos because in the description you don't promote Builderall. You have to understand this, of course. If you are an affiliate of Builderall, then you can put on your channel the tutorials of Builderall. And if some people search for some keywords on YouTube and they come to your video, they will see the tutorial, and in the description they will have links to go and buy Builderall or to know more about Builderall. So it's good. It's a promotional material for affiliates. So in regard to Builderall, there is no problem about re-uploading their tutorial video. And it's the same if let's say you want to download the video and translate them in your language, in French, Italian. You want to do a voiceover or just to display the subtitles in your language, you can do as well, because it will promote Builderall even more. So that's good. And in regard to YouTube, they don't care particularly about copyrights in general. They have some partnerships with big networks and algorithms that will detect if a video has copyrighted materials from their partner. You know, they have a system, but it's because of the law. Otherwise, they don't mind. But of course, if for instance you put a video on YouTube and you see that someone else took your video and put it on their channel, then you can complain to YouTube and say report this video, to say it's my copyright, I want it to be removed. Then YouTube will act on this complaint and will remove the video. But otherwise, they don't have no business in this. The only thing they do is to save their own service, that sometimes they don't like that a video is uploaded in many channels, the identical video. So they detect a duplicate content, duplicate video, and they refuse the upload. But that is more to protect their own service, to avoid that the same video is 1000 times on YouTube. There's no use for them. So to save some space, they do this. You know, they detect the video for duplicate. So for this and for other reasons, I suggest that you add an image on your video, on the video you downloaded from the tutorial of Builderall. You add an image. The image could be the URL, the link to your affiliate website. Builderall affiliate website. You can put the URL, or you can just put a logo on the video, a logo which is called a watermark also, and so you put this so that the video will not be identical to the one on the YouTube Builderall channel. This is just to protect, to avoid that YouTube will detect it as a duplicate video and will refuse the upload. But of course, the added benefit is that the videos on your channel will have your URL. So they promote your affiliate link, because the URL will be your affiliate link of Builderall. They promote it wherever they will be viewed, because sometimes this video can be found on some other place than YouTube with no description. So if you have only the links in your descriptions, it will work to promote it only on YouTube. But what if people are watching the videos on their TV? They don't have access to the description of the videos. They look at YouTube TV, they will see the video and it will have your URL, so they can type it in their browser on their computer and go to your affiliate URL. So you understand why there are two benefits. One, to add a logo or URL on the videos. One is to avoid the YouTube duplicate video algorithm, to be sure that it doesn't detect it for this video. And second is to promote your affiliate links on the video directly, in addition to the links in the description. But now you can tell me that, yeah, but there are hundreds of tutorials on Builderall YouTube channel. I'm not going to do it by hand. So that's why I will show you how to do it by batch, automatically, to add your URL or image on top of the videos. You know, to process everything by batch. Because the point, of course, is on your channel, then you will have a lot of tutorial videos. And you don't mind if each video doesn't get any views or just a few views per month. Doesn't matter. You have the content on your channel. You haven't worked a lot for it, and you know those videos they are in addition to your own videos that you produce. So there's no bad side about it. And even if you get let's say 10 views per video per month, it's already this is already good, because if you have 100 such videos, so it's 100 times 10 per month. So you have a chance that some people will click on your link in the description and they will buy Builderall. So this is passive traffic, passive income at the end. Okay, so now we'll start. What are the steps? First, you have to download the videos from the YouTube Builderall channel. Then, once you have the videos on your computer, you add your URL or your logo, any image, on the videos. Okay, you do that. Then you re-upload all those videos on your YouTube channel. And for this, to download the videos from YouTube, here is a useful tool, is to download YouTube videos from a channel. So you put the URL of the channel and it will show you each videos, and you can download them one by one, but just by clicking a button, and they will come on your computer. And then to add your URLs on the video automatically means by batch, you know, several at once. On Windows, you can find a tutorial with VLC. Maybe you already have this software. VLC, it's a video media player. You can play music and videos. It's a very good media player. And so on VLC, you have the option, so you have to follow tutorials that you can find on Google. If you look for VLC, add a watermark by batch tutorial, you put some words like this and you will find the tutorials. The problem with Mac is that VLC is on Mac, but it is missing one option for now, as of July 2019. It is missing one option, so that we cannot do it by batch. We can do it one by one, and this is not interesting. So to do it by batch, there is a free software on Mac, which is called Video Watermark. You can find it on the Apple Store. You take the free version. The free version, you can do everything. It's only on the video, at the bottom, they will put just one line, very discreet line, says watermark has been added by video watermark. That's it. And so it's not important for us to have this. You can let it. You don't have to crop the video to remove these things. Or you don't have to pay the software because it's unlimited. You can do as many videos as you want. They just add this small line of text at the bottom with transparency, so it doesn't hide what is behind the video, behind this text. So me, I am on Mac, so I use the video watermark on Mac, and as soon as VLC will add the same option that there is already on Windows, then I will switch to use VLC, because I don't want one more software just to do that. And on VLC, you don't have the small line for the free trial of video watermark. You don't have this problem. So I will switch to VLC on Mac as soon as I see that the option is available. So let's show how to do. First, you go to the Builderall USA YouTube channel. So you copy the URL of this channel, so the link, and you put it on this tool, which is called the YouTube multidownloader.net/channel.html. And here you paste the channel here. You just paste it. You don't have to click download anything. It's automatically search for all the videos on the channel, and it displays them like this, with the number 1 is the latest video published. And to download them, you just have to click on the button here for each video. So I will do it for maybe for free video as an example, but you can do it for as many as you want. Last time when I did it, I waited that they uploaded several tutorials, several dozens. So then I uploaded 50. I did it by 50 videos at once, and I work by batch. Because when you upload on your channel, it takes a long time, 50 videos, but you can upload all in once, and it will process the queue. So you put it before sleeping, before going to sleep, and in the morning everything has been uploaded on YouTube, and then you can edit each one, edit the title for instance, and the description, and then you publish each one of them. But I will show you, because I have other things to say about to ease this process. For instance, the description. You don't have to write the description for each video. You can set on your YouTube channel a default description that will always be there for every video that you upload, and then you can modify it to add things if you want. Same with the tags. You can have a default list of tags that will be added automatically to all the videos you upload, and then you can add some tags to specify. So let's start. So I take this one, I click here, it downloads, it starts the download, then I click this one, it starts the download, I click this one, start the download. Okay, now you have, voilà, so you do this a lot, and the second step, once they have downloaded, is to add your URL or logo on the videos. So I will show you with video watermark on Mac. Okay, this is the software. Okay, so drag your video here. So I take my videos, the free I have here. I put them here. Okay. Now you just need to do next step, and here you have to add. So you can add a text, add a logo, add things like this. So I have already done it. So now I just have to click to use this template. This is the template. So if I mean, I'm not going to show you because it's maybe I will show you. So next step, instead of using so this template, I click on it. You just type the text, change the size, the transparency. So I use transparency to show the video behind this text so that it doesn't cover it, because maybe in the tutorial there is something important just behind this text. And you can notice where I put it. I put it at the bottom, but I let a little space here. Because it's the free version, it will add a sentence made with video watermark software. So I put it here like this. And one effect I've put, I don't just put the text, I also put a white background on the text so that it always displays, it's always readable. For instance, let's say that on the video there is the part at the bottom is black. If my text is black, even with transparency 25%, it will all look black. But because I have put this background, white background, so it's in effect here. You can choose which effect you want. I took this one so that I mean, if this part of the video is white, then it will show my URL. If it's black, it will still show my URL because the background will be like gray, because it's white but with transparency, so it will be gray if behind it's black. So gray and black, my text is still readable, So this I've learned it because I made the mistake before to not use a white background. So anyway, once you have done this, you have to do it once, and then for the next videos you just have to select this template already made. And so you click next once you have your videos and the template you want to use to put over, and then you have to say where you want the output folders, where will be the videos. So I put them in a folder, special folder called result. Autoscale watermark, this is because if all the videos you put, they are not all the same format, so that the text will always be the same at the bottom and take all the width of the video. And video format, you can keep original format. Me, I put this one, MP4, H264. I put this, maybe you can, and that's it. Do not rename files, and I click watermark video. So it says this is a trial version. It will add a small text. Doesn't matter. Use trial version. Okay. And now it's adding the watermarks and creating the videos on my folder results. Now, while we wait for it to process, because this is, it's doing it. If you do 50 videos, it will take a long time. So it's the same. You can do those tasks at night, or when you know that you are leaving to go outside for 2-3 hours, you can prepare your videos, put them here, and let the computer work for you. Here it's only 3 videos, so it's okay. One thing I wanted to say, so it's about the next step. When you are going to upload the videos on your YouTube channel, if you want, you can just have a default description with all your affiliate links inside. Same for the tags. But in your default description, what I do, I wrote a text, but in between I put a place, blank space between the text at some point, and inside this text, if I want to add something like a description of the video, of this particular video, I will put it here always. So this is after you have uploaded your videos. When you upload them all, you don't publish. They will be in your account as draft. And then, once everything is done, you can start the work of publishing them one by one. So for this, maybe I will show you in this video, it's not sure, but maybe in another video, I will show you things you can do in order for your video to get more views than what you should expect by just doing this. As I said, you will get maybe 10 views per month per video because they will just be there, and only the title will be relevant to the video, but all the rest, the description, if you don't do anything, it will be your default description. So, except if you are lucky, none of the video will have really a lot of traffic, but it's quantity that counts. But if you want, like you have time, you don't know what else to do, if you want, I have some ideas or techniques to improve the traffic on your videos just by adding words in your description, relevant words. So of course you can do it yourself, like you know, each video you can talk about what it is about and things, but it's very time consuming. I want to show you something in the same spirit as previously, so you can work by batch, even if it's manual, but at least you do the same task for 20 videos. So you do 20 times the same task, and then you go to the next step and do 20 times the same task. This allows you to work, it's easier to work because you focus on one task, you do it quickly, very quickly, and then the second step, you do it for all videos as well. You don't do all the steps for one video and then all the steps for second video, all the steps for the third, because your brain will have to think about the different steps for each video. But when you do one step for all the videos, you start to go very fast, like washing dishes. Your brain can be like nearly off, and still you are working and processing 20 videos. Then second step, and at the end you have 20 videos at once without mistake, because for each step you do the same thing, so you don't make mistakes in this step. So now it's finished, and about the description, to finish what I was saying, I will show you maybe in another video how to do it easily by taking what is being said in the video, like in a tutorial about Builderall's canvas. You can have the text of what is being said in the video, and you paste this text in your description. You don't have to modify it, and you don't have to write yourself what is being said. It is by using the automatic translation of YouTube, which is very good, and it will give you a text, a caption, closed caption file, and this closed caption, you can clean it to remove the timestamps and have only the text, and then you paste this text in the description of your videos. But this you can do it after they are published. And no, it's not that you should do it after they are published, so that YouTube process the automatically translated voice. They process it, and then you can take this file. So you can work by batch also, but let's say for 20 videos that are already published, like yesterday or today, and you can do this step at the end, same way process. And in the video I will show you a tool to clean the caption file and what to do. This of course is work that maybe will benefit your video's traffic, or maybe not, we are not sure, but if you think about it, yes, you will have some words in your description that are very relevant to the video, and you will have words about Builderall, about the tool. So of course, if YouTube use something to show results, for sure you will use the text in the description. So if you have some text in the description, it's always better. So do this work for yourself, but let's say when you have nothing else more important to do as your work as an affiliate or as a service provider. Anyway, so now it's finished. So the 3 videos, so you can close the software, and the last thing is to re-upload on your YouTube channel. So you can see that in my folder here I have those videos, and I will show you here. So you see you have the video, like this, yes, the videos with my watermark on them, and at the bottom you have a small protected with trial version of visual watermark. Full version doesn't put this mark. So it's very discreet, and we don't care about it. So it's okay. On Mac you can do it with this software. So now I have my video. I go to my channel, YouTube channel. I put okay, upload, and here on the upload page you can add several videos at once. I think the limit is 50 videos per day, but I'm not sure. I think maybe it's just 50 videos to publish per 24 hours. So you can upload as many as you want, they will be as draft. So I go to my folder, and here I put my 3 videos with my watermark, and I upload, and you see that there is the first one, then at the bottom you have the second one and third one, waiting, upload pending. And so this process, depending on your internet speed, you should do it at night or when you leave the house, so you don't have to wait because it can be long. And as you see, when I upload, it already puts the title. This is because it's taken from the file name, the file of the video, which has the name already. When you download the videos from the Builderall YouTube channel, it has already the name. The title of the video is the name of the file. And when you process them to add your watermark, there is an option you see at the last step, say keep the file name. So when you upload, now you have this with the number. So what I do usually, I just copy this, put it here like this. But this you don't do it when you upload. First you just upload like it is. It will be a draft. It's only when you have uploaded everything, when you're on the draft, you open each video in a new tab. So 20 tab open in the edit page of the video, and there you can change the title or do it like you want, add some tags for each video, and then you select public and publish each video. But as you can see, so there is already the title and there is already a description, because this is my default description that you can set in your YouTube channel options settings. So you see I put some links, affiliate links to Builderall, and here I have a space that has nothing, and this is where I put some additional text for each video. And after you have also more affiliate links to Builderall, some text about Builderall. So it's long because I did it in English and French in my default description. But yeah, you can do that. Same for tags. I put some generic tags about Builderall, like make money with Builderall, Builderall review, Builderall affiliate program, internet marketing, Builderall tutorial, things like Builderall USA, Builderall France. So I put some tags. I don't know if it's useful, but they are put already for me for each video I upload, and then I can delete some if I want. So just easier. And that's it really for this tutorial. So that's it. We upload on my channel, and the last step that I cannot show you because it will take a long time to upload each one. But the last step, after I go in my video list in my channel, they are all as draft, and then I open them on the edit page in a new tabs on my browser. And after I go to each tab one by one, and I change what I want, and I publish. And then I close the tab and go to the other one, change, publish, close the tab. So I do that for, and then I have dozens of new videos published. So I stop here for this video. After, as I said, there are more things to do with the automatic translation made by YouTube. So you can use this and put it in your description For this, I think I will do a video only on this because there are several steps and a tool to use. So it's better I do another video. Okay, thank you. Of course, if you are interested in Builderall, don't have yet an account, you can go to builderallrockstar.com and fill in the form so you can get a 7-day free trial. You can look also on my YouTube channel for other videos where I talk about the compensation plan, the affiliate program of Builderall, and many of the other subjects. So if you want to learn more about it, you can on my YouTube channel and also on my website, where you can find my YouTube channel anyway. So go there and I see you in another video. Bye bye.